Hey guys, welcome back to Code Streak Daily. In today's video, we are going to solve the problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks. It's of 6th November, and here we have the title Route to Leaf Paths Sum. So it's a medium level problem, and it was previously asked in Amazon, Microsoft, and there are two more companies. So let's check out the problem. Let's check out the companies first. So it was previously asked in Amazon, Microsoft, Oyo Rooms, and Google. So there are three product-based companies. I think, yeah. So I think it's a great problem to solve. Let's check the problem here. Here we have a binary tree where every node value is a number. Find the sum of all the numbers that are formed from the root to leaf paths. The formation of the numbers would be like 10 in 10 times parent plus current. So let's see here. Output is 13997. The explanation, there are four leaves, right? 2, 7, 4, and 4, resulting in the leaf path 632 and 6357, 6354, and 654. The sum of these will be 13997. And here we have another binary tree. Here there are three leaf nodes 40, 60, and 30. So the leaf path will be 10, 20, 40, like 1240 and 1260 and 130, and that sums up to 2630. And here we have another binary 1 and 2 is the leaf node. So I think we need to like 10 into 20 will be like 1000, I guess. So 40 is the sum, so 20 times 10. mm, I think here we need something 10 times parent plus current value. So here the parent is 3. 3 into 10 30 32, 6 into 10 60, 632. Okay, here we have the parent 50, 5 into 10 plus 7 57, 3 into 10 30 plus 57 357, and here 6357, it's 6354. Maybe it's multiplied with 6 times 10 3. We need to find actually 10 times parent plus current. See the examples for more clarification. Okay, let's see here. Here we have the four leaf nodes 2, 7, 4, and 4. So when it comes to 632, 2 is the leaf node. So we have to check for the parent. Here the 3 is the parent node. So 3 times 10 is 30, and we have to sum up the current value 30 plus to 32, and then again this is 32, and here it is multiplied by 100, 600 plus 32, 632. So based on the number of um, leaf nodes, we might be multiplying with 10. So let's dive into the problem first of all. So um, our task is to sum all these numbers from root to leaf paths in a binary tree. Okay, um, like I think 6357, 654, 6354. So then is I think we don't need to multiply by 10 also. Let's see, we just have to form a number using all these digits like this. See, 632, 6357, 6354, and 654. That's it. We can do like that, and then we have to sum up all these numbers. That's it. Okay, so first of all, here we have a class solution, and our main function tree path sum is defined for us. We have a root passed, and inside the tree path sum, here we are going to traverse this entire tree using the DFS, depth first search technique. We'll use it as a recursive function which help us traverse the tree while calculating the path sums. Okay, now let's get into solving the problem. I'm just going to define the function def DFS node, and we are just passing two parameters, that is node and current sum. Okay, first of all, we have to check the edge case and the very basic case. We have to check whether the tree is empty or not. Like if not node, then we have to return 0. Okay, this is the very edge case and the basic case. Now we have to update the current path sum for this node. Okay, like current sum equals to current sum times 10 plus node data. Okay, so here as it is given that 10 times parent plus current value, right? That is what we are doing here, 10 times the parent plus current node value. Okay, we have to check whether if it is a leaf node, then we have to return the current path sum. Okay, so for that we have to check whether there are the if there are any left child or right child. If there are no more left child and right child, then we have to return the current sum. Okay, like if not node left and not node right, in this case we have to return current sum. Okay, now we have to recursively calculate the sum for both the left and right subtrees. Okay, for that I'm taking a variable left sum and I'm recursively calling the DFS where I'm passing node dot left comma current sum. So we also need for the right subtree, right? So right sum, here also I'm calling the DFS recursively node dot right and I'm passing current sum. Then I have to return the total sum from both the subtrees, right? Return left sum plus right sum. And we have to initialize the DFS from the root with an initial sum of 0. This I have to call outside. Return DFS of root and the initial sum will be 0, right? So now let's compile and check. Yes, our output is matching with the expected output. Now let me submit the code. Yeah, we have successfully solved today's problem. There's nothing that we just have to make the 10 times parent value plus we have to add the current node value. I'm using the DFS to traverse the entire node, checking the edge condition here if the node root is empty or not, like a tree is empty or not. Then I'm for every left subtree I'm recursively calling the DFS, and for right subtree I'm recursively calling the DFS again. Then after we traverse the entire tree, I am just returning the left sum and right sum. Here I am checking whether we have reached the leaf node or not. Like if there are no left node and there are no right nodes, then I am just returning the current sum. Here I am initializing DFS and passing the root and the current sum as 0. So this is how we have solved today's problem. I think it's very straightforward and easy to solve. I hope you like this video, and if so, hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to CodeStreak Daily for daily coding tutorials on LeetCode and Geeks for Geeks. And do not forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from our channel. See you in the next video, guys. Until then, keep streaking.